Welcome to a quick guide on repairing vehicles in the survival game Dune: Awakening. Repairing vehicles in this game is quite simple once you know the proper sequence of actions. Start by inspecting your motorcycle or other transport. Approach the vehicle and press the F key to open the options wheel. Select Manage to enter the management menu. In this menu, you'll see the condition of all parts of your vehicle and their damage percentage. This helps determine whether the vehicle requires urgent repair or if you can wait. You'll also be able to estimate the amount of materials needed for restoration. For repairs, you'll need welding wire, which can be crafted in the fabricator. For serious damage, you may need more than 100 units of material. Make sure to equip the MK1 welding torch, the same tool used to create the vehicle. Right-click to switch the torch to repair mode and start clicking on damaged parts. The process will consume welding wire until the vehicle is fully restored. If you run out of welding wire, an out of ammo message will appear and you'll need to craft more. Good luck in the deserts of Arrakis.